Astronauts of NASA's Apollo program, which landed humankind on the moon from 1968 to 1972, required supplies to help support their lives while in space. They used the kinds of things you see here, such as food items as well as health and safety supplies. Let's take a look at these space travel musts, each a part of the Air Zoo collection. What do you think of when you hear the name Whirlpool? I always thought of fine home appliances, but during NASA's Apollo program, the Whirlpool Corporation established a life support department. They handled food prep, packaging, serving, and the space feeding experience. The astronaut required peak physical and mental well-being, and spaceflight was no time to experiment with unusual diets or strange, unappetizing foods. So Whirlpool made a variety. Over 50 different menu items such as beef and gravy, potato salad, and butterscotch pudding to please the astronaut's palate and keep him nourished. The food had to be light, small, and able to remain fresh without refrigeration. Whirlpool taste testers sampled the food for quality control. I'd like that job, I think. At mealtime, astronauts use surgical scissors such as these to open packages. Why use heavy-duty scissors? We've got a 4-layer reason. Cube foods, such as these beef sandwiches, are freeze-dried and put into a 4-ply package, what Whirlpool called the food's own spacesuit. Each of the 4 layers served a special function. The first layer provided a food-compatible barrier, safe enough to touch the food without impacting taste. The second layer protected the package from bursting. The third, a vapor barrier, prevented the absorption of liquids and gases, and the fourth wrapped it all up. These packages were vacuum sealed and combined with other food packages to create color-coded meal packs. These packs also included dehydrated foods such as fruit salad, spaghetti, and iced tea with lemon and sugar in a rehydratable package such as this. Each rehydratable package included an injection valve, a sealed eating tube, and preparation instructions. The hungry astronaut injected water, hot or cold, into the package, soaked it, and squeezed it into his mouth through the eating tube. No forks, plates, or dishwashing liquid needed. The package did all the work. When eating cube food straight from the package, the astronaut chewed with his mouth closed, and he kept it closed because a stray crumb could cause choking or damage to electronics, and it's polite. From time to time, astronauts face insomnia, headaches, and indigestion in space, just as they might on Earth. In the command module, relief could be found in a larger medical kit, but if discomfort arose in the lunar module, astronauts could turn to a smaller medical kit, such as this one. Inside, astronauts would find eye wash, antibiotic cream, bandages, aspirin, sleeping pills, tummy relief, and more. NASA fitted each spacecraft with emergency survival rucksacks, also known as backpacks, filled with survival essentials. A vital element of the rucksack is this combination flashlight. The small but effective tool includes a flashlight, knife blade, compass, mirror, fishing hooks, and needles. ACR Electronics produced these combination flashlights for NASA. Hope you enjoyed this look at Apollo-era life support supplies. They say the freeze-dried foods retain their flavor and nutritional benefits for years. I wonder if we should serve these beef sandwiches in our cafe.